Okay, now e5. That's the best move. Taking control over the center. Not that I didn't. It's annoying. Try to be a little bit provocative. Here, good night. Oh, if I could only draw arrows. It's a much improved version of the. Yeah, come on. Play. Put on some emote only. Yeah, it's a version of the North Sea, the Norwegian Rat variation where you got an extra tempo, of course, since you're playing white, and it's also played h5, which is useful, but maybe not the most useful. So it's a better version. Whether that makes it great, well, that's something the experts have been debating for years. So, I mean, I could have taken e4, but that helps him with development and so on. This pawn is a bit of a lame duck regardless, and I think development is more important for now. Knight f6 now, then probably d3 to be honest. ED, bishop g5, I think he's in trouble. Yeah, so exclamation mark waitlist for take. That was mentioned last stream, but I'll mention again. We're doing something new and a little bit different. So I'm excited, and I hope you guys are too. Well, that was this idea. D4, H3, then knight e4. I think he has decent play. So yeah, that was a bit of a bummer, to be honest. I hadn't seen it, and it kind of ruins my plans a little bit. Big plans for this position. Okay, we'll try and retain the initiative. At least this doesn't allow him to open up the H file. So, okay, knight g4, I got bishop e4. That's the idea. If bishop e4 immediately, well, he takes the bishop f5, maybe ef5. You can open up the H file and then left g3, bishop g7. I think he has good piece play. Now at least I can claim that I'm fighting for the initiative. It's another annoying move. This guy is quite good in these weird positions. I think we got to trade. Rook g1 maybe? I'm trying to tempt him into playing f5. I don't know if it's bad, but at least I got ideas then. Bishop c6 and then either e4, which looks a little bit too committal. But there are others. Knight g4. This is a transparent trap. Okay, so kind of admits that foray was a pretty big fiasco. So now I must have very good play. Let's jump with the knight. I could have just developed the bishop, to be honest, because if the queen moves out, I got knight d5 regardless, so it wasn't like he was completing his development anyway. But this looks great. I have very good central control, and now I'm preparing for queenside castles as well. G4, trying to loosen the pressure, I think still takes, and then queen e3 is quite awkward. Okay, so he once takes and knight b4. That is clear. I don't know if it's a great idea, but let's just prevent it. Because I can. He wants bishop f, he wants queen f6. Take with the pawn. What's he gonna do? E7 just seems to lose a pawn. He does. It's typical, like, Indjic is not a kind of player who massively values material, which makes him very interesting to play and to follow his games, because he values other factors like dynamics and time more than most. Okay, let's just go king b1, e3. He could have gone knight e4, but there is no way he was saving that game with a really bad endgame and less time. So where's the knockout? There must be... This move is a little bit annoying, I'm not gonna lie. Do I have any tactics? I can go e4. And then queen h7 maybe. Okay, let's do that. Queen h7. Queen h6, rook g8. Should win. Here. Oh, does that work? No, I don't think it does. No, this doesn't work for him. Rook g5. Was knight c3 working for them? I don't know why he's not resigning. But, I mean, that's the question. Okay, I'm not going to turn